Hello, my name is David Chill from Versatility in Print. Welcome to the next in our series of videos with regards to hot foil printing. I've had a lot of comments and questions about embossing and debossing, so I thought it was now time to do a short piece to show you exactly how it's done. Today we're using a platen style machine, but it could be any style of platen machine. This one is a Polydiam HF85, and what I've done already is I've placed the foil over the printing plate, and the printing plate is here already located on the machine. Now we're going to be using a 700 gram GF Smith piece of card. Again, as long as it's a thick type of card, 300 gram and above, you're going to be okay, but you're not going to be able to deboss onto a 100 gram piece of paper. I'm going to place this into the machine like so, and what we've done is we've tightened up the pressures here on the back of the machine to create a little bit of extra pressure, and we've put a gold foil here. By placing it down, bringing the handle down and straight up again, you will notice here we've created a very nice clean image that has been debossed or sunk into the card. So that is foil and debossing at the same time. Allow me now to show you just a straightforward blind deboss. So for this we don't actually require any foil, so I'm just going to take the foil off and wind it up. Again, place your card into the platen, and it's just as simple as pulling the handle down, bringing it back up again, and you'll notice here we've got a very fine and clear deboss that goes into the card and looks really very smart. Now finally what you can do is you can almost create a spot laminate effect. And for this I'm going to use a piece of clear mylar. Normally you'd put this on for a large print run onto the top of the machine as a roll. I'm just going to show one to give you an idea, and there you can see the difference between the matte and the gloss and how effective that looks. So here, putting all three together, you can see an example of blind debossing. You can see here an example of debossing using mylar, which gives this spot UV or spot laminate effect, and here an example of foiling and debossing together. Now what I'd like to show you is the embossing process. This differs from debossing, so allow me to explain. A bit like Blue Peter, here's one we have done earlier, but what I want to show you is a male and female plate, a debossing plate, and this varies from a standard foiling plate which is raised up. When you're doing embossing, the image is in fact indented into the block. So what we've done is we've taken a block like this and we've placed it already onto our hot foil machine, and we've placed the male part onto the platen. So what we're going to do is literally we're going to have an item that is sunk in, and we're going to push it up against the male counterfoil, and that's going to create our embossed image. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of card, place it here in the platen, bring the handle down, make an impression, and bring this out, and here to show you the embossed image. What I wanted to show you here, this is a lovely result of maybe the finished product. And on here what we've done is, first of all, we have foiled and then we have embossed this letterhead, and this one has in fact been printed 5 times. So we've printed the black, the red and the gold at the top and embossed the main wording, and then here at the bottom we have both foil printed in black and gold, and to give a really stunning result. Now, embossing probably isn't for the faint-hearted, and if you're a beginner, probably I suggest it's not something you start off by doing, but obviously you can create some marvellous effects. Thank you very much, and for more information do contact us through the hotfoiluk.com website or our contact page, or see the details appearing below. Thank you.